In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly copy a table in Microsoft Loop so you can manage your data with ease. First, open your browser, head to Microsoft Loop, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once inside, locate the table you'd like to copy, whether it's project data, tasks, or meeting notes. Click and drag to highlight the entire table. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and select Copy. This copies the table to your clipboard. Now choose where you want to paste it. It could be another Loop page, Microsoft Word, a Teams chat, or even Outlook. Place your cursor in the exact spot. Then press Ctrl+V or right-click and select Paste. That's it. Your table is now copied and pasted with its structure and data intact. Stay tuned for more quick Microsoft Loop tutorials. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.